My name is Angela DePace, and I'm an associate professor in the Department of Systems Biology at Harvard Medical School. My lab works on the mechanism and evolution of gene regulation in animals. And so the reason why we care about this problem is because if you look across different organisms, they often have very similar genes or sort of a similar toolkit, but a lot of what makes them different from one another is how they deploy those genes or how they use them. So that comes down to differences in how genes are turned on and off in different cells. And so we really want to understand how that information is encoded in the genome and how it's read out to produce different gene expression patterns in space and time. And to do that, we use computational modeling and really high-resolution experiments in fruit fly embryos. Wow, my personal story about how I got interested in science probably goes way, way back to when I was a kid. My dad was always a very curious and engaging sort of amateur scientist. I have this one really vivid memory of this asymmetric spinning toy. It was made out of plastic, and its point of rotation was slightly off center. So when you would spin it, it would go in one direction for a while, and then it would change its momentum and it would go back the other way. And I have this memory of he and I sitting at the kitchen table and him being like, "How does it work?" And me being like, "I don't know." And he's like, "Think harder." And so we would like puzzle these things out together.